Welcome to the another video of my new series, and I will call it a series in of disaster recovery. And in the first video we will see that how we can restore the parameter file in case it is accidentally got deleted by a person. Okay, so hope you will enjoy it. So let's begin. Let's start my database. Don't worry, it is just an sh script which internally calls all the startup and lsnrctl start commands to save my time. So it is my database name, db unique name and all that. So now we will create the problem where we will delete the parameter file forcefully, and after that we will try to recover it from our old backup of SPFILE. Before it, you must ensure that you have taken or you should have backup of control file SPFILE. Okay, and how you can ensure that? So I will open a new RMAN session. I will connect to RMAN. Here just check all the persistent settings. Here you can see configure control file auto backup is here on, which is by default not enabled before 12c. After 12c this is automatically by default comes with on. Okay, so remember, whenever you are working on a database as a DBA, you ensure that this parameter is turned on for safe side. What does it mean? It means whenever you take any kind of backup, RMAN will keep a copy of control file and parameter file. Okay, and don't confuse with this parameter. A snapshot control file backup will not contain SP file. Okay, but auto backup of control file will keep control file along with SP file. So please try to make this parameter to on, and if you suppose in your environment it is off, so you can just run configure control file auto backup to on. Just by this way you can enable this parameter, right? So I will check the backup pieces I have. Okay, so here I can see I have SP file included in my backup piece. Yeah, so it will work for me. So now first create this scenario. We will manually delete the SP file. So I don't know the location, so first I will check where it is the SP file. So here it is. Okay, so first I will shut down the database. We will do it on another session. Yeah, so the location is this. Okay, we will delete all the parameters files, sp file, init file, sp file and the current sp file, right? See, we don't have, okay, I have one backup of init sp. Yeah, so now you can see we don't have any kind of parameter file, so that our database will not start until we restore the parameter file. Okay, we can try here. Just fire and startup command. It will throw an error that could not open parameter file at this location. Okay, so let's begin the restoration. We will go to our RMAN session. Since we have these backup pieces, but only in this backup piece we have SPFILE. Fine. Our backup is a full database backup which have the data backup, so we will need this backup piece. So connect to RMAN session. Got it? Since our database is not started, so here you can see it is not connected to any target database. Let's try to start a force. Startup, no mount. Yeah. So RMAN will automatically start with a dummy parameter file. Okay, and here you can see it is telling us that Oracle instance has been started with dummy parameter. Now we will restore the SPFILE. So just type restore SPFILE and we will give the location here. So since we have copied the backup piece name with location, that is it. So we will paste here. Just run it. So here you can see that successfully restoration is completed of SPFILE, and we can also check here. So here you can see the SPFILE is back. Now we will start up the database again. Startup force generally do a shorter bot than normal startup, so it generally saves DBS time by doing short immediate then again startup. Okay, so just remember it to keep it handy. Now I will connect to my database to check whether all thing is good or not. Yes. So our recovery of SPFILE has been completed, and hope you have learned a nice thing today. And if you liked it, then please watch my other videos and support me. In next video we will discuss, suppose you don't have any kind of backup of parameter file. In this case you saw that we have a backup of auto backup of control file SPFILE. But what happened if we don't even we don't have the auto backups of control file and SPFILE? That will be very interesting. So keep in touch and keep like, share and subscribe.